Okay, what we're going to quickly look at is how to start making a basic or a classic granny square. We've learnt how to do the foundation chain, and in the pattern that I'm doing I've used a 6 chain foundation chain to start with, and then we're going to show you how to use your slip stitch, which I mentioned before is a joining stitch. So we do that by putting it through the very end of the chain, bringing the yarn over the hook and pulling it through both loops, and that joins your chain. Now this next stitch that we've just learned previously is the treble, and we're just going to show you how we might be able to use that in a space as opposed to a straight line. So when we start usually a granny square, we usually start with another chain, and with trebles we do 3, so it will be a 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain stitch, and then the pattern I am doing calls for us to do a treble in the centre that we've just created by joining the chain. So we do that by putting our hook or the yarn over the hook, putting it through the centre of the hole, and then bringing the hook over and pulling the wool through the centre to start the first of the treble, and then we bring it through the 2 just like we did in the straight line, and then through the last 2. So that's your first treble done. The 3 chain becomes the first part of the treble, and then we did the second, and then we do a third. So it's yarn over the hook, through the hole we've created, bringing it through for 3 stitches, yarn over hook through 2, and then yarn over and through the last 2. So that's your third treble done. So that's the first corner of your granny square. And then we're going to do another chain stitch, which you've just learned. 1, and we're going to do 2 to create a corner. And then we do 3 trebles. Not another chain as we did before, but 3 trebles. So we do that by hook or yarn over the hook, through the gap, pull the wool through, giving us 3 stitches, then yarn over, pulling it through 2 stitches, and then yarn over and through the last 2. So that's 1 stitch. And as you can see, we're building we've done a corner, and we're building a straight line, and we're working a corner around again. So we do 2 more trebles. So yarn over, through, pull the yarn through, 3 stitches or 3 loops, yarn over, through 2 loops, yarn over, through 2 loops, and that's another treble completed. And we do it once more. And this is our third treble. Now I'm going to put a little bit of speed on just so that we can get an idea. And this is just showing you another way that you could use the stitches that we've done in our demo today. So we've done our corner and our treble, and we need to make another corner, so we're going to do 2 chain stitches, which you've learnt how to do before, and then we work another treble into the loop. Just like that. So that's 1 treble, 2 trebles, and we'll just do 1 more. And as you can see, you're starting to build a square, and we'll leave it at that.